Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting review here on Boats Yacht. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of the Lil Boat, a charming houseboat that's turning heads on the water. Whether you're a seasoned boater or just dreaming of life on the waves, this vessel promises a unique blend of comfort and adventure. So, grab your life jacket, and let's set sail through its key features: stunning design, cozy interior, impressive performance, and the standout qualities that make the Lil Boat a must-see. Let's get started.
When it comes to key features, the Lil Boat doesn't hold back. This compact houseboat is designed with practicality in mind, making it perfect for both short getaways and extended stays on the water. One of its standout elements is the dual-hull catamaran design, which provides exceptional stability even on choppy rivers or lakes. You won't feel like you're rocking side to side, which is a huge plus for anyone prone to seasickness or just wanting a steady platform to relax on. The boat comes equipped with a small but efficient solar panel array on the roof, harnessing the sun's power to keep your lights and small appliances running, which is a game-changer for eco-conscious adventurers. There's also a compact yet functional kitchenette with a 2-burner stove and a mini-fridge, ideal for whipping up meals while floating. Storage is cleverly integrated throughout, with under-seat compartments and overhead cabinets, ensuring you can bring all your gear without cluttering the space.
Safety features include sturdy handrails along the deck and a life ring mounted at the stern, giving you peace of mind as you explore. For those who love a bit of tech, the Lil Boat offers a basic navigation system with a GPS display, though it's simple enough for beginners to use without feeling overwhelmed. These features combine to create a vessel that's both user-friendly and packed with essentials, appealing to a wide range of water enthusiasts. Moving on to the design, the Lil Boat is a visual treat that blends modern aesthetics with functional flair. Its white hull with a pop of yellow on the cabin gives it a fresh, cheerful look that stands out against the natural backdrop of waterways. The catamaran structure not only enhances stability but also gives it a sleek, futuristic silhouette that catches the eye from a distance. The enclosed cockpit at the front features large windows, offering panoramic views while protecting you from the elements, a thoughtful touch for those unpredictable weather days. The deck layout is open and spacious, with a small seating area that invites you to kick back with a book or enjoy a meal al fresco. The roofline includes a slight overhang, providing shade and a bit of shelter, which is perfect for lounging during sunny afternoons. Designers have clearly prioritized accessibility, with a low step up from the waterline to the deck, making it easy to board even for those with limited mobility. The overall build uses lightweight materials like fiberglass and aluminum, keeping the boat manageable for towing or launching without sacrificing durability. This design philosophy makes the Lil Boat not just a pretty face but a practical choice for anyone looking to explore without the complexity of larger yachts. Inside, the interior of the Lil Boat is where comfort meets clever space utilization. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted by a cozy living area that seats up to 4 people around a foldable table, perfect for a small family or a couple of friends. The seating doubles as extra sleeping space with convertible cushions, a smart solution for overnight trips. The kitchenette, though compact, includes a sink with a manual pump for fresh water, giving you the basics to prepare snacks or a hot drink. Adjacent to it, a small bathroom features a portable toilet and a fold-down wash basin, keeping things simple yet functional. The sleeping quarters are a highlight, with a double bed tucked into the bow area, complete with a privacy curtain for a bit of seclusion. Overhead hatches let in natural light and fresh air, creating a bright and airy feel despite the limited square footage. Storage is tucked into every nook, with drawers under the bed and shelves along the walls, ensuring your clothes and gear stay organized. The interior is finished with easy-to-clean surfaces and a neutral color palette, which keeps it feeling open and inviting. For a small houseboat, the Lil Boat packs in a surprising amount of livability, making it feel like a home away from home on the water. Performance is where the Lil Boat shines for its size and purpose. Powered by a modest outboard motor, typically in the 15 to 25 horsepower range. It's not built for speed but rather for leisurely cruising. You can expect a top speed of around 6 to 8 miles per hour, which is ideal for gliding along canals or lakes at a relaxed pace.
The catamaran hull design reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency, meaning you can enjoy longer trips without frequent refueling stops. The boat handles well in calm waters, with responsive steering that's easy to manage even for first-time skippers. In light currents or gentle waves, it maintains its stability thanks to the wide hulls. Though it's not designed for rough open seas, stick to sheltered waterways for the best experience. Maneuverability is a strong suit, with a tight turning radius that makes docking or navigating narrow channels a breeze. The solar panels contribute to its performance by powering auxiliary systems, reducing reliance on the motor's battery and extending your range during daylight hours. For a vessel of its class, the Lil Boat delivers a balanced performance that prioritizes comfort and ease over high-speed thrills, making it perfect for a laid-back aquatic lifestyle.
What really sets the Lil Boat apart are its unique selling points, which give it an edge in the houseboat market.
First off, its trailerable design is a game-changer. Measuring under 20 feet, it can be towed behind most standard vehicles, letting you explore new waterways without the need for a marina slip. This portability opens up a world of adventure for those who don't live near water year-round. The eco-friendly aspect, with solar power and a low-impact hull, appeals to environmentally conscious boaters who want to minimize their footprint. The compact size doesn't compromise on livability, offering a surprising amount of space and amenities for such a small footprint, which is ideal for solo travelers or small groups.
Another standout is the affordability. Compared to larger houseboats, the Lil Boat comes with a price tag that won't break the bank, making the dream of water-based living accessible to more people. The simple maintenance requirements, thanks to its durable materials and straightforward systems, mean less time on upkeep and more time enjoying the water. For SirBoatsYacht viewers, this vessel embodies the spirit of accessible luxury, blending practicality with the joy of floating life. It's these unique qualities that make the Lil Boat a standout choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into houseboating. As we wrap up this review, it's clear the Lil Boat from SirBoatsYacht is a delightful option for those seeking a blend of adventure and comfort on the water. Its key features provide the essentials for a great trip. The design turns heads while staying functional, the interior maximizes space for a cozy stay, the performance suits a relaxed pace, and the unique selling points open up new possibilities for exploration. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or dreaming of a floating lifestyle, this little gem has a lot to offer. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and tips from SirBoatsYacht. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you seen a Lil Boat in action, or are you tempted to try one yourself? Until next time, keep exploring the waves, and I'll see you on the water.